Come with me as I drive going to Norway. I've been driving to Sweden for almost 2 years now, but then again, kinakabahan pa rin ako. But this time, this will be a different experience. Hindi ako nag-iisa, but dalawa kami ni Azzy magpapalitan sa pagdadrive papunta ng Norway as we participate a one-day tournament in volleyball. Super na-amaze pa kami sa car na nirentahan namin kasi may mga CDs pa siya. The good old days. Kailan mo pa mapapansin? Char, MYMP yan. This was 5 in the morning pa, but the sun is shining bright like a diamond. At the same time, it was also foggy. So this travel will take us almost 4 hours going to our destination from Gothenburg, Sweden. And of course, mawawalan ba tayo ng mga baon? Of course, tayo mga Pinoy, magbabaon talaga tayo when we go on a very long travel. So ayan na nga, kumain na kami unang breakfast. Buti na lang talaga, nagbaon kami, o diba, tipid. And at the same time, hindi masasayang yung oras sa pag-stop over. Medyo foggy talaga ang weather, pero nag-i-enjoy ka pa rin sa mga nakikita mo. Lalo na pagpapunta ng Norway, my God, ang gaganda talaga ng mga nature nila doon. Ito pala yung bridge na nag-divide between Sweden and... Joke lang, di bitaw? I think so. Wait lang ha, hindi ako sure. Maybe. Ayoko namang magawa-gawa ng issue, no? Pero hindi pala yun. Oo, sure na ako, hindi talaga yun. Pero ito, ang gaganda, ang daming mga windmills along the way na makikita nyo. Tapos may concern pa kaming isa. May isa dyan na hindi siya nag-work, nakakasad. And a few inches away, nakarating na nga kami sa border ng Norway and Sweden. Velkommen til Norge. Ay, hindi ko alam paano nila sinasabi yun. At ako na pala nag-drive nito, and this will be my first time to drive in Norway. O diba? At least nakatungtong ka tapos nakadrive. Record na yun.
A few moments later.
Hey, we made it, Asi! Congratulations! Ang saya! Congrats! Good job!
Anong energy mo naman?
So medyo maaga kami, like 30 minutes earlier before the game will start. Kaya feeling namin para kami mga players ng alas. Charot, pero yung mga laro ay thank you na lang. Ito na yung sports hall na kung saan maglalaro kami. And this is our second time to join this league. So yung mga makakalaban namin ay may mga Pinoy teams din. And at the same time, meron ding mga Norwegian teams. And as a whole, ang nag-organize nito ay mga Pinoy. Isn't it amazing? So yan pala, may ayuda na binigay sa amin, pampa-breakfast or food for every team na sasali. To start with, nag-warm up na kami to prevent injuries later sa game. Disclaimer lang guys ha, kami na team, di talaga kami super galing na galing talaga. Pero we really like to join every tournament kasi we get to learn something and ma-apply for the next tournament tapos matatalo na naman ulit. Let the game begin, but before that, meron kaming 10 minutes para mag-warm up sa spiking, receiving, and serving. One of my favorites talaga ang spiking kasi gustong-gusto kong lumilipad na parang si Sisi Rondina pero hindi nangyayari. At dahil vlog ko to, di ako ang bida. 7 teams lang lahat naglalaban, and every game meron lang 2 sets na up to 15 lang per set. And that's the rule for the elimination round. So we get to play against each team, and kung sino yung may pinakamalaking points, sila yung may chance to level up sa semifinals. So we got some adjustments na ginamit nila yung chips para pagplanuhin kung paano magsiset si Ate Riza. We get the chance as well to facilitate or maging referee and scorers sa mga games ng ibang teams. And for the next clip, naka-block ako. Oh my God! dahil naka-block na ako, uwian na. We didn't get the chance to be in the semifinals, but then again, may good thing pa rin. Makakauwi kami ng maaga kasi the next day trabaho na naman at ang layo pa ng biyahe namin. And the worst thing pa, sobrang lakas ng ulan at buti na lang hindi ako nag-drive. Good luck, Azzy. We're here to cheer for you. Kaya natin to. Meanwhile, sinong pagod? Moving on, we had a quick stopover at our favorite Chop Chop Asian Express. Sobrang nagutom ang lahat after a long way from Norway, so we had a quick stopover para kumain ng dinner. Highly recommended talaga tong restaurant na to, though pricey siya a little bit, but then ang sasarap talaga ng food nila. So what I got here, it's chicken pad thai. And this restaurant is super convenient. Para siyang McDonald's or KFC na along the way mo lang siya makikita. It was a productive day. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye!